What's going on, everybody? I'm here at TradeUI, and we're going to have a three-part series on how to become a better trader. So during these 3 different episodes, we're going to break down the basics of trading, how you can utilize different trading strategies, and how to find opportunities in the market to become a better trader. So I want you to sit back, take some notes, and really understand from a professional trader what it takes to become profitable. So in the first part, what we're going to do is break down technical analysis, and we're actually going to take the 20% of technical analysis that makes up 80% of all the movement. You ever hear the 80-20 rule? This is where it comes into play, to where only one feature actually identifies good buying and selling opportunities from the technical analysis side, and that is what we call support and resistance lines. So what we're going to do here is go over support and resistance lines and how you can utilize them. First, we need to define what are support and resistance lines. Those are areas in the stock price to where they want to pivot to the other direction. So if they're a support line, they want to pivot to the bull side, and if they're a resistance line, they want to pivot to the downside. We can utilize these different lines to identify good entry and exit points in the market. So let's go ahead and break down snow and actually draw support and resistance lines. So what I'm going to do is go to my drawing tools here, and I'm going to draw some price levels. You always want to draw the most recent support zone. So this is the year-to-date chart. So roughly this area, this 145, has been identified as a strong support zone, or what we call a buying opportunity zone for SNO, snow. So what we want to do is try to find an area where the stock pivoted to the downside. Recently it was right here. However, if we go back, we can see this 170 mark actually had a lot of action. And the reason we're drawing it all the way out here, because if you look here, here, and then this old support zone here, you can tell that 170 is a very strong target for snow. Now we are a little late to the game on this one because we already had our pivot right here. It looks like we're pivoting down again potentially. But what we can do as traders is understand whenever snow gets that 150 to 145 mark, we can look for an ample time to buy the stock and ride it all the way up to 170. Or what we could see here is we could actually see a reversal right here, and it could continue to test that 170 mark. What happens whenever you are a trader, if you look up here, these are different zones. Stocks are always going to move up, down, or sideways. Those are the only 3 directions a stock can move. It can't move any other way. Whenever a stock moves up and then starts to trade sideways, these are consolidation periods, and in these consolidation periods, usually former resistance becomes new support. So what happens is it shot up right here, it shot past this resistance level, and then this new resistance level became the new support level. So it went up, and now the former resistance level here was 190. So it was trading between 170 and 190. And it did that in a consolidation period. It finally broke down. Right now we are in a consolidation period. We are trading between 145 and 170. So we know whenever the price gets to 145, those are potential ample buying opportunities. And if they go to 170, that's an identifier that we need to take profit. So this is a very clear example on how you can use support and resistance lines to identify when it's time to get in and get out of a stock. Guys, this 3-part series is going to be very short, very simple. All you got to do is commit to the process and understand how this works. I recommend checking out other videos on support and resistance lines as well. However, just remember, this is the backbone to all trading, and once you understand support and resistance, you will become a more profitable trader. Please stick around for the next 2 videos in this 3-part series, because all of this is going to build off of each other, and we're going to show you just how you can find winners in the market. Alright, we're going to end it here.